Hello, my name is Mrs. Lindemeyer, and I am so excited to have you in my social studies class this summer. I'm a very passionate educator who's been with the Deer Valley Online Learning Program for 3 years and with Deer Valley for 9 years. I was actually at O'Connor the last 7 years and Mountain Ridge High School the year before that. This past year was my first year as a full-time online social studies teacher, and this has been my job. It's been wonderful, and I absolutely love teaching online. I have a wonderful husband, a son named Isaac, who's 6 years old, and a daughter named Ellie, who is 3 as well. There will be some more important information coming your way very soon, like pacing calendars to help you with that time management for this very quick summer course, and the dates that I will be available for in-person help. But for now, be sure that you are clicking on that summer orientation link and getting that going because that is one of your first assignments, submitting your past quiz results. And you'll be all set for the first day. So whether you're in sociology and you're studying the reasons why people do things they do, or you're in world history wondering how the heck we got to this crazy mess of a world we're in, welcome. I'm very excited to have you here, and I look forward to a great summer term. Thanks, guys.